God have mercy upon us.
What is this?
What is what?
I mean, what are you carrying on your back?
Botox.
Boo
Botox.
boutique.
I'm carrying Botox, BBL.
You the same mustard seed. I be Julius back at the construction road for your back. Turn around. Keep on turning. Hey! Ochabala onye mere aka m ka o mere ote were mmiri ọkụ sofere ofe mee ga aka m na-aza aka m agba mkpụrụ n'ọchị. So what have you turned yourself into? How beautiful are you looking on this? Did you look at yourself on the mirror?
Of course. I'm looking so elegant, very demure, very classy, very cutesy. This client is going to love this. This is called PPL, the latest trend in town. If you're a young woman or a young lady and you have not done PPL, you're not a baddie, because baddie girls, they do this.
God have mercy upon us.
So how do you say it?
Mkpụrụ mustard seed. The latest in town. Hey! Mkpụrụ mustard seed. The seed of discord. Did you just beg our join hand in constructing your bomb for you? So what is the meaning of BBL? What is the definition? What is the full meaning of BBL?
I don't know the meaning. No. I don't know the meaning of PPL. But all I know is that everybody is doing it. Everybody is doing it. If you're not doing it, you're not a baddie.
Oh, you don't know the meaning. But why you do and be say everybody they do it. So you can't follow do. Because you want to belong to the baddest.
Thank you, sir.
Do you know the English called is a pity? That is your name.
Okay, I don't understand.
Maka Chineke kremona gna, your name is a pity. Pity I would call Murudu pity. It won't pity pim. It will break a pim. I'm supposed to be ashamed of you for opening your mouth to tell me that you did BB and you don't know the meaning. Must you follow trend? It's trending. Everybody's doing it. Kika brala woki be me with a pump. Rogo mountain gebal nasa. Umbudu Jericho. And if you can with bemba. Number that I agreed much. And your client is going to like it. So what is the need of this thing now? What does it stand for? What do you stand to achieve?
See, sir, this is going to make me attract men. When men see this, they are going to line up, waiting for me, and that means cash. Men with cash, they'll be there waiting for me because they like it, they love this, they love BBL. They are the reasons why I do this now. You understand now? Trending, you follow the trend.
Men with the cash, men with sickness also line up for you. And for your information, if you think this is all about men coming to you, real men don't go for artificial things. When you see real men, they go for original. If they want to buy a car, they will go for new brand car. When they want to build a house, they go for original one, the one they laid the foundation from the scratch. They don't go for second hand. They don't go for real men go for real thing. If you think this is what will attract real men to you, you fail it. The only thing this can attract to you is untimely death and daily grief. Oh yes, go and market somewhere. If it didn't happen today, it will happen later. Because I am sure there must be a later repercussion from this nonsense you are carrying behind you. I've looked at you from head to toe. If there's anything you should have worked on, it's your height and your sense, because you are senseless. If you had gone to a doctor, they should remove the heart of goat, heart of meh that you are, and replace the heart of human that will make you think like a human being. But what did you do? You went and carry fiber. And we fiber. We kata. What? Pagano. Pagano. Mkoa make. Mkikra can work the nike.
Oga.
And I can we pray.
Oga, what can be this now?
What can not be 18?
Now what now? Why you even call my domo when they insult me now? I don't even understand, eh? Are you jealous of this? No. Are you jealous of what I'm carrying?
Jealous of
now. Because you're not even get this, now you won't break up for me. I mean, if we stay hungry, you go tell your wife, hey, may do up. Excuse you.
No, come and challenge me. Come and show me Kebrambro. Come now, let come period come. And I can broke. Idiot of no in comparison. The only thing you can do for your parents is to go and consult Bumbo. And I'm sure your parents are at home now, going hungry. No food. Akuku don't like it. Although I call it double in our roche. Come to God and have peace. Get Simba. Get a doctor. Get Gagana Quack Hospital. Gagaburo Bagara. Ishimbe. Idiot of no in comparison. No, come and challenge me.
Oga, why you can't follow me?
Why am I going to follow you?
Oga, you're embarrassing me.
I will embarrass you until you get sense.
You're disgracing me.
You are a disgrace.
Can you be the first one to wait to watch you?
You are the worst person that have done it. You are the worst. What you be an agi yo boguma? Yente. If you not come up from my friends,
this is
in some way, idiot. Get sense, and I'm not going to get sense. Must everybody do what is trendy? Must you follow trend? Can't you be original for once? Why is everybody behaving like animal? Didn't we suckle our mother's breast anymore? Anybody that suckled his mother's breast behave normally and not abnormally. Everybody will drink breast, finish. You come outside, you go take a couple of brain with nonsense. You know everything the cattle. What is wrong with the people of these days? Must every young person do bum? God created you. On the last day, you are going to answer because I don't know you because you are not my creation. Oh my beautiful body, beautiful stature. Udigana chogacha no budo ibo. Ndocha nwete ha jigi mre hurricane. Gi bianga gaga eburibu ewere mkpụrụ egusi gbagi ya. Oji ke ti aki. Ewere ochi gi mere aki. Gi bianga madu gba no gi dopushara ha oche. Go and see Obi Kubana wife. Upon how rich the husband is. For one day, she have never come out to dress naked. People like you, if your husband happened to be in her position, there is a limit for everything. A married woman should dress like a married person. Singles should dress like singles, not be going mad, going crazy. The moment you step into marriage, your everything is supposed to change. Your mode of dressing, the way you talk, the way you reason, things you do, and not otherwise. Also, BBC, RIP, idiot of no in comparison.